Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Cashapp to Payoneer in 2023. Of course, there is no direct integration between Cashapp and Payoneer for transferring funds, because Payoneer is primarily used for international payments and freelancing purposes, while Cashapp is focused on peer-to-peer payments within the United States. But we are going to use the Paxful websites, which will allow us to transfer our money from Cash App to Payoneer using the Paxful. So make sure to stick by and let's just get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type paxful.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll have to go and create your account if you don't have an account. But if you have an account, you can simply go and log in into it. And once you logged in into your account, you're just creating your account, you will find yourself on this page. So before we start, make sure to verify your phone number and email address so you'll be able to use this Paxful website. And make sure to it's not a bad thing to enable this 2FA or two-factor authentication. So because it's a great way to secure your account. So once you are all set up, you will have to go and check if you have your money, first of all, on your Cash App account. So you can go and check if you have any funds in there. And of course, if you have it, this will be great. You can just go and create a Payoneer account if you have one. If you don't have one, if you have one, you can simply just log in into it. But of course, if you have everything set up, you have your funds in your Cash App, you have your Payoneer accounts. Once you are here, you can simply go to this buy option, click on this drop down menu. Then simply here, you'll have to choose whatever you would like to buy. So I suggest you would use the USDT. It has a lot of buyers, but of course, you can go and choose whatever suits you. As an example, I'm just going to click on USDT or Tether. And here we are just going to pay via or choose this pay via on the left panel and type cash space app. As you can see, you find this here. The currency will be USD because that's what Cash App has. And offer location worldwide, it does not matter. And click on find offers. Of course, you can even enter the amount that you would like to spend or to send from your money from your Cash App to Payoneer here so you can see. Of course, at this moment, there's just one buyer. Of course, maybe when you enter your website, you'll find, or at the time, or at your time, you may find a lot of buyers here. So at this moment, there's just this buyer. So for you, if you have a lot of buyers, you can compare between them depending on the price, the minimum and maximum purchases, the trade speed, if they are verified, if they have a good amount of positive feedbacks, and if they require any additional information, as an example. So once you choose whatever suits you, if you're list, you can simply click on buy option. Once you click on buy, as you can see here, you'll have to enter the amount that you'd like to transfer from your Cash App to your Payoneer. Just keep in mind that it should be above this minimum and below this maximum. So as an example, just type here 500 and here you'll find the amount that you will receive of USDT. Of course, if you want to make this trade, you'll have to go and verify your email address and phone number. If you didn't do yes, you can simply click on start verification and you will be taken here. So you'll have to go and verify them. Once you come back here, you will find a buy option. Click on it and you'll be able to contact this seller. You'll have to go, or he will send you where to send the Cash App money, and he will send you the USDT into your Paxful account. Of course, this user is verified as you saw before here, so you'll not have to worry about everything. So he's approved by Paxful, so don't worry. Of course, you'll find even like unverified users, like they will not have this verify option, but it's not a problem if they have a good amount of positive feedback. So you can simply go and click on them or buy, and you'll scroll down here and you'll find the positive feedbacks and even negative ones. So this zero is rarely. So if you find like 2, 3, 5, 10, it's not a big problem, depending if they have a lot of positive feedbacks, because some people will not be satisfied just because of the speed of the transaction or something like that. So once you have your USDT on your account, as an example, so you can go and check always if you have it on this wallet. As an example, click on wallet, and as you can see, you will find if you have any USDT here. You can simply now go to the sell option, click on this drop down menu, then sell USDT. Of course, you can go and sell whatever other thing that you have as an example here, and then just choose it. Of course, you can even change it from here as an example. So now we will have to, or we want to get paid with Payoneer. So here we'll simply have to type Payoneer. As you can see, we found this. So click on it and choose the currency that you would like to get paid with, as an example, USD. Offer location worldwide and click on find offers. Here you will find offers that people will send you Payoneer funds for your USDT. So here you will have to go and choose whatever seller suits you, depending again on the price, on the trade speed, minimum and maximum sell, and of course if they're verified or not, or if they have a large amount of positive feedbacks, and if they require any additional information. If something doesn't suit you, you can go and check for other users. As an example, as I said before, some of them are not verified, but they have a good amount of positive feedback, so you don't worry. As an example, this one and etc. So once you choose whatever suits you, let's just choose an example this one. Of course, this has a high amount of minimum sales, so just keep that in mind. And example, just click here. So here we'll have to go and enter the amount of USDT that you would like to sell. So let's say an example, just enter the minimum amount that he has, which is 4,000. And but on the sell-in option, the Paxful will take from you a 1% fees. So if you want to pay or to sell a 4,000 USDT, you'll have to go and add a 1%, which is a 40 USD. And as you can see, you will have to add this to your wallet so you'll be able to sell it. Of course, this the amount of USD that you will receive in your Payoneer if you sell this USDT. So if your phone number and email verified, you will find the sell option there. Click on it, and of course, you will have to provide them, or you will contact the seller. Then you will have to go and provide them with your Payoneer account, and he will send you the money from there, and you will need to send him then the USDT. And once you're done, you can go and check if your account has the funds, of course, on Payoneer. So just go and check it up. And if you have it, you are successfully, or you successfully sell your USDT, and you successfully send your money from Cashapp to Payoneer in 2023. And once you're completely done, you will be, of course, good to go. Of course, as I said before, you'll be able even to buy Bitcoin if you want, or USD instead of this USDT. But as you can see here, there is just a small amount of people that will offer the Bitcoin, and it will normally have a high amount of purchases, so you'll not be able to do so if you want to send just a small amount. But of course, you do USDC, maybe you will find some people here. So for you, you can go and check whatever suits you. As an example, go and enter whatever your specification here on this list panel, and you will be good to go. And of course, if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully learned how to send money from your Cash App to Payoneer and to Infinity, of course, using the Paxful website, because there's no direct way, as we said. Remember to proceed with caution and comply with the terms and conditions of all the websites that we use, like Cash App, Paxful, Payoneer, so you'll be good. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for our channels, or to our channels, for more helpful tutorials like this one. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.